Okay, so the American Express business checking account. So whenever I look at a business account, a checking account, savings account, what I look for is interest rates. I look at fees. I look at requirements, like if you have to have a direct deposit going into there. I look at perks and stuff. And so the American Express business checking account, there are no maintenance fees. The interest rate on that is a 1% APR, so which is comparable to every other bank account. So also you can get 30,000 American Express points when you have a $5,000 balance in there for I think up to 6 months and 10 transactions. So there are bonus points with that, and you can use them for flights and travels and gift cards and things like that. Great little perk, you know, what business account, what checking accounts offer that? I don't know, but that would be a great thing. What else I like about the American Express business checking account is a 24/7 phone specialist. You can call them up with anything, everything, and you get that great customer service from American Express that you're used to. And this is beneficial. But you know, I've spoken about this in other videos. When you open up a business account or even a personal account, personal checking account, savings account, you develop a relationship with whoever the banker is, banker, lender, blah, blah, blah. You start, you know, they start watching how you manage your money, and you start to get offers and deals and things like that. So I am a firm believer in American Express business products. They were one of the first business credit cards to help me out when I started my business. So it's definitely worth it to start a relationship with who you want your credit cards to come from. You know, your business products, your business loans. They do have the Kabbage, so check that out for business loans and things. So, but I think that the business loans, you'll need like a little more extensive paperwork and all that stuff. Easier way, if you're a startup, is just to go on ahead with the credit cards, manage with the credit cards until your business gets up off the ground and you have paperwork and statements to say, hey, I can handle more money, my business is going great, these are amount of transactions, this is the volume that I'm receiving currently, so let me, could you lend me some money? So that is it. Check out my other videos on American Express Blue Cash Card, which is my current favorite, the American Express Platinum Card, and the Gold Card. I have a lot of info on that and highly recommend it, but this is not business or financial advice. Do your own due diligence. All right.